Today we're going to learn about rational exponents. Rational exponents is just another way to write roots. We're going to start with square roots. Any square root can be written as the power with an exponent of 1/2. So for example, the square root of 4 can be rewritten as 4 to the 1/2 power. Another example, the square root of 8 can be rewritten as 8 to the 1/2 power. And then the square root of a smiley face, we could rewrite that as a smiley face to the 1/2 power. And then we can use that information to solve problems. So, if we have 25 to the 1/2 power, that will equal 5 because the square root of 25 is 5. 100 to the 1/2 power is 10 because the square root of 100 is 10. Remember, square root is what number we need to multiply itself to get to the number underneath the radical sign. The same type of notation works with cube roots, except that the exponent will be 1/3 instead of 1/2. So for example, the cube root of 20 we can rewrite as 20 to the 1/3 power. The cube root of 56 can be rewritten as 56 to the 1/3 power. And the cube root of smiley face would be smiley face to the 1/3 power. So we could say that 8 to the 1/3 power equals 2 because the cube root of 8 is 2. Remember, that's because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. If we multiply 2 by itself 3 times, we get 8. Cube roots also let us do negative numbers. So negative 64 to the 1/3 power would be negative 4 because the cube root of negative 64 is negative 4. Again, that's because negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 is negative 64. Okay, so now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks with the second part of the notation and then the simplified answer. So for example, if it has a fractional exponent, write the root and then the answer. If I give you the root, then write the fractional exponent and then the answer.